Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Wahad Mansoor. Today our topic is ChatGPT. What is that ChatGPT? Let's discuss about this. You need to open that website openai.com/blog/ChatGPT and you see the interface something like this. And today we are discussing about that what is that ChatGPT, how to use that, and let me guide you what command you applied and how you get the content from the ChatGPT. That is really nice tool, or as you said, that is the artificial intelligence. They use this. Okay, so simply you need to open this link as I told you. So you need to click on this try chat gpt, and that show you interface something like this. Okay, and here you type a command something like if you type a youtube video ideas. Okay, I type that command and hit enter, and here you see that they show me how many video ideas for the youtube. Here you see that they type frequently, and they provide me a number of ideas like 10 to 12 ideas, how I use that youtube video ideas. So uh, so that's really nice. You can use that as well for whatever the things you want. Simply you type that anything you want, like hey, you see that I typed youtube ideas and they provide me a lot of content regarding this youtube ideas, and I start working on these youtube ideas as well. Like simply if I need anything like I need one small game idea. Okay, how about guess the word game. So they conversation with me as well. As you see that they how about like they are saying me that this game is adopt a played with a friend and a person, and they create a single player app and the website and the computer. So if you want that keep going this command. Sure. So the another idea is there are all the dice, and they in this with this command they can show you different more ideas as well. uh, like if I type the keep going, so they show me more ideas as well. Okay, so here you see that so it's working in this way. And let me show you one more command like I need small code for game. Okay, so they type a code as well. As you see, they guess the word game is a python, so they're using the python as well. What apple banana and this, and they typing the code as well for you. So I think ChatGPT is too good. I want you people use this, and let me know how that if you how you recognize that, how's that, and how you feel that it's too good or not. So yeah, as you see that they write the code as well, they write the content for you as well. So I think that's too good. I hope you like that, and if you have any question regarding this, feel free to ask me. And I really appreciate if you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much.